You can have some with dinner, baby. Can you show Mommy what book you and Daddy were reading? Ashlyn, we're not having anything else before dinner right now. What you doing? You're going to spill that all over the place. Why don't you get a cup?
Okay.
Ashlyn, did you spill a little bit of milk there? Yeah? Do you think you need to wipe it up?
I need to wipe it off.
Okay. I think you can drink it without the lid. Could you close that cupboard, please? Did you spill milk all over the place? Uh-oh. Should we get a rag? Can you say, milk, it does the body good? Shh. Ashlyn, can you say, milk, it does the body good? Ashley, say it. Milk, it does the body good. Yum.